Hey everyone, welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 18.0.1. Yes, you heard that right. You can already jailbreak the latest iOS version and enjoy all the amazing features that come with it. Before we dive into the process, let me show you proof that I'm running the newest iOS version. As you can see, my device is completely up to date. Now, here's the exciting part. My device is also successfully jailbroken. Take a look at the Cydia app on my screen. For those who don't know, Cydia is only available on jailbroken devices, so you know this truly works. Jailbreaking your iPhone opens up a whole new world of features and customization options that you just can't get with a standard iOS setup. From custom themes to exclusive apps and tweaks, there's a ton of cool stuff you can unlock. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if this is your first time jailbreaking, you'll have no trouble following along. Before we begin, we need to tweak a few settings to ensure the jailbreak goes smoothly. Don't worry, it's really simple, and I'll guide you through every step. First, open the Settings app and go to the General tab. Find the option called Background App Refresh and set it to either Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular data. This setting ensures that apps can work in the background, which is crucial for the jailbreak process. Next, head to the Battery tab in your settings and make sure Low Power Mode is disabled. Low Power Mode slows down your device, which we don't need for this. Finally, go to the App Store tab in your settings and make sure Automatic Downloads is enabled. This will ensure that the Cydia app gets automatically installed after the jailbreak. Now that we've adjusted these settings, we're ready to proceed. Let's move on to the next step. Open your preferred internet browser, I'm using Safari, and go to a website called jbelite.cc. This is the best source for the latest jailbreaks. To start the jailbreak, click the Jailbreak button. Confirm your choice by clicking the button again, and the process will start downloading and installing the necessary components. After the download finishes, you'll see another page where you'll need to complete some additional steps. Just click the Continue button and follow the instructions on the next page. Don't worry, this part is super simple and should take less than 10 minutes. Once you've completed the additional steps, go back to the website and refresh the page. You should see a confirmation that the jailbreak is complete. At this point, all you need to do is restart your device and Cydia will be installed. And that's it for this video. I hope you were able to successfully jailbreak your device. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and peace out.